2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Nice big wheels, custom all the way. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then you got that loop that Jeep is famous for it to make them equal length, as you guys can see. And then there's the other side of it right there. There's the equal length loop. And then what we put on it is a BORLA Pro XS right there. Part number 40665. He had Flowmaster HP2 and it was just really muffled. We hated the sound of it, so we took it off and fixed it up for him. And then we ran 2.5-inch turn down right there. As you guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. BORLA Pro XS makes a really nice muffler where it doesn't drone, just sounds really nice. There's the Flowmaster HP2 that was on it right there with a turn down that we cut off and replaced. And there's the Jeep right there. Very nice Jeep. It looks really nice, really clean. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited E6 Sahara with a BORLA Pro XS. What do you guys think of the sound? Quiet. Here's sound decibels. Again. Go on and back it out. Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Again, let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with a BORLA Pro XS. Perfect. I love it. Smooth.